Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Zoho Projects, a complete project management tool to plan, track and deliver work efficiently. After logging in, click on New Project. At the top right side, you will find the option Go and click on Create Project. Here you have to enter the project title, owner, start and end date, and the project group. After that, here you can add description, the business hours, tabs for the projects, and project access. After that, once you're done with all of this, go and click on add. Once you've created a new project, you will land the dashboard. In the left hand side, you will see the task, issues, phase, and time logs. Go to the task tab to assign the task. You can also use chart to visualize timelines and timesheet to track work hours. And that's it, how easily you can manage project from start to finish with Zoho projects. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.